Hey boys, this morning we're at Blackrock Summit, trying to do that mountain and something called Trefoot Mountain. A little weird today. Earlier in the week it's been like 100-degree heat index. This morning up here it's 55 degrees. It's really cold. I wish I had a sweatshirt, but I didn't bring anything like that because I had no idea I was going to need that. So I really don't know what I have in store. Blackrock Springs, which was one of the first hotels and stuff in this area, even before the Shenandoah Park was here. But we'll look around and see what we got. I'll see you in a few minutes. Hey boys, I'm about 0.8 in. Been uphill most of the way so far, but I should be almost to the top of Blackrock Summit. There is a parking area right next to the summit, but I chose to park at the one down the mountain and hike up. It's been pretty cool so far. I'll talk to you in a few minutes. All right, we're coming up to Blackrock Summit. I think we are 1.2 into the hike. I think we need to find a way to get up there. Let's walk around this way first. Pretty cool. Still looking for a way to get up to the top. Let's see what the sign says here. I think maybe let me look around a minute and see what I can find. We're on the other side of Blackrock, about 1.4 into the trail. A little bit of a rock scramble going to Trefoot. That might be Trefoot right there. We shall see. All right, 2 miles in. Still climbing. I'll talk to you when we get to the top. Okay, this is the final push to the summit of Trefoot. Jesus. I hope there's a view. I'll come back when I'm getting close. All right, boys. All right, boys. Looks like we're getting to the top of Trefoot. Let's see if it was worth the hike. All right, we're at the top. I don't know that it was worth it in the summertime with all the leaves on the trees. That way should be Blackrock. Alright. We were here anyway. Alright. Left Trefoot Mountain, heading towards Photoshoot Mountain. They say it's about 2.5 miles. Hall Mountain's on the way, kind of. Not really sure how far that one is, but probably going to go to Photoshoot Mountain and then come back and see how I feel when I get to the junction for Hall Mountain. About 2.5 miles in. Everything's good. Looks like I'm going down off of Trefoot Mountain now, so I'm sure I'll be going back up here in a few minutes, climbing something. I'll check back if anything good comes along over in a little while. All right, we're about 3.5 miles in towards Furnace Mountain. Trail's still pretty good. I get a glimpse of a good view every once in a while down into the Shenandoah Valley. But with the amount of leaves on the trees, it's just spotty here and there. A lot of rocks. But other than that, everything seems to be okay. I'll check back in a few minutes. We're about 4 miles in. I don't know if you can see it, but right up here there's a mountain. That's where we're going. See if it gets better. I can see it pretty good. I'm not sure what it looks like on the camera. It'll be fun getting on top of that damn thing. All right, trail's gonna go down, then I guess we're gonna go start going back up. As I'm finding out, these summit hikes, probably need to do these, you know, early fall before it gets snowing, or early spring before the leaves get on the trees, for the best view. Should be getting pretty close to the top of Furnace Mountain. Coming up on some rocks. And a lot of this on this hike. Morning. I'll let you know when I get to the top. Yep.
Okay, good.
Big bear of a man.
He got sick of our picture taking.
He stopped at the little
Like a little campsite looking place
All
up
right.
there.
is that an Aussie?
He's a toy. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
okay, okay.
No, I think I got something else.
All right, let's let these gents.
And then, can you just take a picture of me and Stu?
Do you want me to take a video?
Just pictures will be
Feel
fine.
free to come up.
Y'all are fine.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Here, our photo shoot.
Actually, Emma's probably better.
You earned a photo shoot for a few minutes.
Thank you. Emma's probably a better picture.
Clearly, my boyfriend does not agree.
I'll hold it for you.
Scout,
No. Yeah. All right. Well, Scout's gone.
That's okay. It is what it is.
Allie, what kind of phone do you have?
An iPhone 8.
It's much lighter than mine.
It's old.
I know, mine's lighter than that. It's like so bulky. Excuse me. Thank you for your patience.
Sorry, y'all.
You're fine.
Excuse me.
Scout.
Have a good day.
You too.
Nice. You can use the other.
All right, and on the way back. So it was a little crowded. I'm not sure how good the video was. But we'll see where we end up now. Coming back up to Blackrock. Let's see what's over here. Big ass rock scramble. Hello. All right, we're almost back to the truck, though we made a detour to something called Blackrock Hut. I saw something about a spring too. There's a food storage locker. Nobody left us any cold beer. So I guess this is for people to camp, or maybe the people on the Appalachian Trail. This is for them to stay in. That yellow band right there says unprotected water source. There's a spring. All right, let's go back out and go to the truck. How are y'all?
Good, how are you?
All right.